What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back with another video, man, and today I kinda hit y'all with a little clickbait, you know what I'm saying? Of course, your boy DeVintage did not catch a W on them off-white UNC collab Jordan 1s, man.
Care, don't care, still don't care.
It came out of nowhere, like, and I was actually checking my app yesterday. I think I was checking to see if the date changed for the Air Jordan 11 cap and gowns. And I was checking it, and then I went on Instagram like 30 minutes later, and then I see fucking at least 10 people that I know copped them, bruh. 10 people. Like, didn't nobody think to hit your boy up, you know what I'm saying? But I guess that goes to say you gotta do your own research, man. That J23 app, my boy Umbrella Kicks finally was like, bro, get the J23 app. And I got it, and it's been giving me a lot of updates, a lot of updates. So I kind of want to like promote J23 app, but it's not like a promotion. Like, they ain't making me promote this app. But on the J23 app, it tell you what's releasing, they tell you what's restocking, they tell you the sale prices, they tell you who got free shipping, and it's a very, very nice app, man. I cannot complain. So you go to your news on the thing, and then you will see all the different stuff that they have on the J23 app. Like, they let you know what's restocked, what's coming back out, the price drop, and let everybody know about them off-white Air Jordan 1s, man. I was real salty yesterday, man. I was commenting on people's picture like, fuck the sneakers app. Why you ain't hit me up? I hit up Sniper Jones. I'm like, bro, ain't nobody hit us up about this drop, man. And I was salty, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I was pretty salty. So right when you hit, say just dropped, you hit it, and then it goes straight to the sneakers app, which they sold out, you know what I'm saying? So this is a very dope app. It costs $1.99. Like I said, I'm not promoting this. If you want it, go get it. But if I was you and you wanted to be updated, I would get this app. I don't know who run it. Maybe I can do like some research or something, but they let everybody know that they dropped. And a lot of people on my Instagram timeline hit on these Air Jordan 1s, man. I really wanted this one. As y'all know, I've been looking for the Air Jordan 1 UNCs, but I felt like they don't re-release. But now with this off-white pair that just dropped, I think that was like the remastered version, you know what I'm saying? I don't think they're gonna drop another UNC one for like maybe like a year or two. Should I pay over resale now, or what? Should I just wait? I'm probably just gonna wait, you know what I'm saying? Just get a better pair, better quality. The quality on the UNC ones was not that good. Maybe like a metallic pack one that's about the same quality. I had them in hand a couple of times, but I never pulled the trigger. But yeah, back to these off-whites, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if you copped, and let me know what made you get on the app. Was it the J23 app? Did you see it on somebody's story? You heard him got on the sneakers app? Y'all let me know, please. Like, it's crazy because I went on Instagram, was scrolling, first thing I seen was Jumperman Chris got the off-whites. I was like, what the fuck? So I heard him and jumped on the app, and next thing you know, it was like sold out, the 10 collab off-white. I was like, bruh, come on, sneaker guys, where y'all been at? Like, I have not taken a W on the sneakers app in forever, bruh, in forever. The last thing I won that was hard to get was the black toes, and I got them on my sneakers app. I don't know fucking how, bruh. But yeah, man, this shit crazy. This shit hit me. I was really feeling salty, bro. Really feeling salty, because I was like, damn, man, how the fuck I didn't know, bruh? Like, I don't like how sneakers app be doing them random drops. Please give you like a 10-minute window to where like you get notification. They didn't notify anybody on the sneakers app. Let me know if I'm just tripping. Maybe my phone didn't get a notification. Y'all let me know. Did y'all get a notification from sneakers app? I don't think so, because I sure the hell did. So like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section below who copped. I'm going to drop another video either tonight or tomorrow. Very good topic, very good. This should be a very interesting conversation for all my subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Ring the notification bell for your boy. Hit always allow on those notifications. After you hit the notification bell, I got a little tutorial plan for y'all right here. That's all I'm gonna keep hitting y'all with every video, man. So with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. The links will be in the description box below. take advantage of that $100 giveaway on the NBA Podcast channel. We're gonna drop some content this weekend on there. Yeah, the Cavs lost, so they gotta win 2 games back to back if they want to go to the finals. You know what I'm saying? So I guess you're gonna save all that for the NBA Podcast, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Yeah, don't care. Don't care. Still don't care. I don't care. I don't. I don't care.